The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise and thermal drones have leaked. What do we know? Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? My name is Anthony and welcome to Ant's Drone. In today's video, we are talking about the DJI Mavic 3, but more specifically the Enterprise and thermal version of that drone. As of right now, we have not seen a Mavic 3 Enterprise or thermal drone, so seeing this news is definitely very welcoming for a lot of drone professionals out there that rely on these tools. The Mavic 3 has been an incredible drone on its own for both filmmaking and video, so adding the thermal capability and having an enterprise version is definitely going to be very awesome with this drone. So based on this DroneXL article, it says, based on a rough translation, it seems that one of the payloads of the new DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise and thermal drones will feature the following: a 3 to 1200 meter laser rangefinder, a 24 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, a 3 to 16 times optical zoom, and up to 300 times hybrid zoom. The article also says DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise and thermal drones will also feature carbon fiber top and front plates, maybe to help save weight, but most likely to simply make the Mavic 3 look better. Earlier this week, we were able to share with you the listings of the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise and thermal drones in the Chinese Commodity Information Service database. Information on all the specs and pricing is still very limited, but we expect that to change very soon as these drones are rumored to be launched in July of 2022. Both the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise and thermal drones are expected to be launched soon, very soon. And as of the recording of this video on August 2nd, the drones have not been launched, so I'm sure they're still around the corner. It just didn't launch at the end of July like this article is stating, but with the leaked photos, we can definitely tell that these drones are still around the corner. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.